Hello, 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 champions, freedom chasers. Thank you for joining me today. Today, we're here to talk about the top 3 sites to find remote work in 2018. And I'm so excited that you're here with me today. Happy Thursday, or whatever day of the week it is, while you are joining me and actually watching this video. So I thank you. Today we are here and it's my first ever video on remote working here on YouTube. I'm definitely not an expert on recording video. I actually just recorded this whole session and then I went to upload it and only 37 seconds of it recorded. So I'm not an expert on recording video, but I'll tell you what I am, and that is determined to help each and every person that really wants a real work from home job that pays real money. If you want that, then hang in with me and I am going to provide the resources to help you achieve that goal. So again, welcome. I'm so honored that you're here with me today. I really am. And when I talk about remote work, I am talking about people call it different things. Some call it remote, some say virtual, telecommute, work from home, digital nomad, home-based, freelance, gigs, side hustle. There's so many different names for it, but it's all the same. It's finding real work that you can even be passionate about. I know I'm passionate about all the work that I do from home because it allows me to stay home and it allows me the freedom of time to be able to do the things that I need to do throughout the day for myself, my family, my friends, and still be able to earn a living, because I believe that we really should be able to do that if we want to. We shouldn't be stuck in a cubicle. Not everybody is made to do that. There's nothing wrong with that kind of work, commuting to work every day and being behind a desk, but not everybody's meant to do that. So for those of you that are looking for remote work, keep on, hang on in there with me. My name is Kay, and I've been working from home since May 2012. And yes, this is a picture of me here, smiling happily. But before we get into the 3 sites that I absolutely love and 3 of my great resources, I wanted to leave or press upon you some motivation, because what you'll learn about me as we take this journey together and you continue to watch this channel. I love motivation. I love motivating people. And what motivates me is being able to share all the resources that I have used and found over the last 6 years. And I look forward to sharing those with each and every one of you. So the daily quote today is, think big and don't listen to people who tell you it can't be done. Life's too short to think small. And this is so true. Back in 2012, when I told people that I wanted to work from home, they laughed and they told me I was crazy. I had a beautiful office overlooking a beautiful canal, a cushy corporate HR job, and people are like, are you nuts? Why would you want to work from home? But I remember this particular day, and my child had the flu, and I went in to tell the owner of my company that I would need to leave because my child had the flu. And the owner said to me, Kay, but we really need you in this meeting that's coming up in the next 30 minutes. And that to me was a turning point. I felt like crap because if you can't go and pick your child up, and maybe there's something to be said about company culture as well. You can find a great company with a great culture that will allow you to take care of the things you need to take care of. But for me, working from home is what I knew I wanted to do. And that was really the turning point for me. So anyway, enough about me and my story. Let's jump right in and show you the 3 sites that I absolutely love. And you can have the work life you want. And if that is a work life from home, you can have that. So the first site that I want to talk about is telecommuterjobs.net. And not to worry, I'm going to post each and every one of these recommendations below in the description as well, so you can go right to them. But what I love about telecommuter jobs is it has a little bit of everything. Depending on what your skill set is, from accounting all the way to writing and editing, you can find an awesome gig. So for me, my skill set is human resources. So I went and I looked to see what human resource jobs have come out. And these are real companies with real work that are looking for people to work online. So here's a talent development manager position. Um, and just remember that as you look for remote work, you will find that there are um, people out there that are going to say, hey, we'll let you work for us. Western Union me some money and then we'll pay you some money. All of these type of things red flags must go up. You should not ever have to pay for anything to work from home. There are a couple companies that are legit that do make you pay for your own background check. But other than that, there is never any reason. And if you ever have a question, Google search. Google your best friend. Do a Google search. And if you can't find answers there, email me. Message me on this channel. I'm happy to help you as well. But you can find the answer. And you just stay vigilant. Keep your eye on the prize. And you will find that remote job that you're looking for. So telecommuter jobs is an awesome one. And I use it to help other people find jobs often. The next one is working nomads. And this is also a great one. I love workingnomads.co because it really is a great website that will, especially if you're in IT. If you're in IT, I could probably find you a job in 2 days flat. But even if you're not in IT, they have every category from development all the way to, let's see what's down here, legal, all the way down to legal. I don't know if I scrolled down far enough so you could see it, but it goes all the way down to legal. And this is a great way to find a job. Let's say you wanted a management job. You've got management experience, managing is in your wheelhouse, then hey, let's look for a management job. Or I'll tell you another one that is very popular is marketing. So just an hour ago, there were several new marketing jobs that were added to this site. And it's just a great place to find remote work. So this is my gem number 2. And if I'm looking to help someone, this is one of my go-tos. Now, last but not least is one I'm sure you probably heard of, but maybe you haven't heard of doing things the way I do them. It is Indeed.com, and we love Indeed.com. So here's the way I use Indeed. If I'm going to use Indeed.com, I will put remote in the where section, but sometimes when you put remote in the where, it thinks that you're talking about remote Oregon. So not that there's anything wrong with remote Oregon, but that's not what I want. We want remote work. So what I normally do is I'll put remote in the where and search for jobs. And then I will also go back and I will take it out here and put remote in the what. And when I do that, you sometimes will get a different set of jobs. And these are all jobs that should be remote or have mentioned something about being remote. Now, I will warn you that sometimes when you're looking for remote work on Indeed, it gives you some position in the as one of your jobs that in the description it actually says this is not a remote position, so it just picked up the word remote and it put it into as part of your search. The other thing is that, but most of the time they will be remote. So like this one says, this will most likely be a remote role, or a remote position? Well, most likely, oh my goodness. Well, hopefully that ends up being one, you know? So there you have it on those. And it's 3 awesome, awesome sites to help you work from home. Now, I know that for some of you, this is not earth shattering. You knew about these sites, but for someone just starting out, if you're just starting out with remote, looking for remote work, this is a great start. It's by no means an exhaustive list, but it's a great start to finding remote work and finding the remote gigs that you want. Now, if you have loved this video and you want to see more awesome videos like this, and you want me to share my 6 years of resources with you, and you want to see another one, this is the first one. If you want to see another one, what I'd like you to do is to hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up. I would love to see it. Or, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notifications bell so you won't ever miss another video to try to find remote work, the remote work you want. And this is my promise to you. If you stay on this journey with me, I want to make sure that I provide you with all the resources that I use and have used to find remote work for all the years I've been working from home since 2012. So if you want to work from home, hang in there with me, comment below, subscribe, hit the like button. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I can't wait to hear from you, and I can't wait until you are working from home as well. So have an amazing day. You can do it. You can have the work life you want. Don't let anybody else tell you that you can't. And I look forward to helping you in your journey. This is Kay signing off and saying I'll see you next time. Bye for now.